For sure may mga fake friends ka. Yeah, you heard it right. Alam ko minsan mahirap aminin, pero lahat tayo at some point nagkaroon ng ganyan na friends. So paano nga ba natin sila makikilala? Let's start with this. Not everyone who smiles at you is your friend. There are people who stays in your life for convenience. Kapag may nakukuha sila, kapag may mga benefits, naku, todo ang suporta. Pero once na wala yung advantage or hindi ka na useful sa kanila, biglaan na lang silang mawawala o kaya naman sasabihin nila na busy lang ako. Sounds familiar, right? So paano mo ba masasabi kung fake friends sila? Here are few red flags that you need to watch out for. Number one, they're only come around when they need something. Napapansin mo ba kapag may mga kailangan sila, whether it's money, favors, or just someone to lean on, bigla sila yung pinaka-close sa'yo. Pero kapag ikaw naman ang may problema, good luck. Minsan hindi mo na sila ma-reach out o kaya bigla silang excuse na, ay busy ako or sorry, di ako pwede ngayon. Sounds fake, right? Second, they talk behind your back. Isa to sa pinakamasakit na malaman. Pero let's be real, may mga kaibigan na kapag nakatalikod ka, bigla kang ichichismis. They smile at you, pero deep down, they're spreading rumors or negative things about you. Real talk. Kung may friends kang ganyan, they're not real friend. A true friend will defend you even when you're not around. Third, they're not happy for your success. Napapansin mo na ba yung mga kaibigan mong parang hindi natutuwa sa mga achievements mo? Kapag ikaw na yung na-promote or may bagong milestone, instead of being genuinely happy, bigla kang mapipintasan at magbibigay ng mga backhanded compliments. Like, uy, ang galing mo pero swerte lang siguro. Obviously, they're low-key jealous and instead of supporting you, they try to bring you down. Fourth, they're inconsistent. Yung tipong minsan ang bait nila, minsan parang wala kang halaga sa kanila. Kapag may kasama silang iba, they ignore you or treat you differently. Pero kapag kayo na lang, sweet na naman. Fake friends will always show you two faces. And trust me, that inconsistency is a huge red flag. So, paano natin i-handle to? Distance yourself from fake friends. Hindi mo kailangan ng toxic people sa buhay mo. Focus on real connections. Friends who are there not just in your highs but also in your lows. Next, confront if needed. Sometimes calling out their behavior helps. Sabihin mo straight, bakit ganito ang pakikitungo mo? But be prepared dahil hindi lahat ng tao marunong mag-accept ng criticism, lalo na kung totoo. Friend, life is too short to surround yourself with fake people. It's better to have a few real friends than a bunch of fake ones. Kaya always choose quality over quantity. Well, just a friendly reminder.